It's Jonathan here from Innovative Vectorworks BIM, and today I'm really excited to share with you my next Best of Twinmotion 2019 Part 2 videos. So the big news is that Epic Games have now acquired Twinmotion, and basically all you need to do to get it for free is go to the Unreal Engine website, and then once you're there, go to the Enterprise tab, scroll down to Twinmotion, and here we can see that you'll be able to get Twinmotion for free until November. How cool is that, guys? Amazing software. So, once you get hold of the software, you can keep using it for free even after November, as I understand. But the new paid version, I imagine, will be absolutely amazing. I'm very excited to see what's going to happen there. No doubt I'll be making some videos on that in the future. But really, just to leave you with the Twinmotion best of videos, and to say a huge thank you to all the people who created these wonderful videos. Now, I've viewed a lot of videos in the making of this this video here, and these are some of my favourites. You may or may not agree, but please leave some comments in the channel. Well, sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Just before we get into the videos, I just want to introduce my new website, realtimerendering.com. If you want to skip this, that's fine, but please come back and have a look later. Features and information about Twinmotion, and there's lots of information on training. We offer professional training at JRA, and I've got a lot of experience in teaching architects, designers and landscape designers. Also a bit more information on the latest compatibility and the plugins that you find with Vectorworks, Twinmotion, SketchUp and Twinmotion and so on. Also, I'd really like to highlight the features page. There's lots more information on there, plus some of our own videos that we've custom made. One of my favourite sections is probably the gallery, and of course a lot of the videos that are going to feature in this Best of Twinmotion Part 2 are all uploaded to the gallery page, so please check those out in full versions there. And finally, we've made quite a lot of tutorials on Twinmotion, so please do check these out. There's a few by myself and a few by others as well, and I hope you'll enjoy those and hope you can learn a lot about Twinmotion. Finally, of course, we've got the contacts page, so please drop me an email. I'd be love to hear from you. There's my nice office in Loughborough. So yeah, please drop me an email. We'd love to hear from you. But overall, I really hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Sit back and relax and enjoy the Best of Twinmotion 2019 Part 2. Thanks for watching.